You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American gymnast, better known under her nickname Lily. So you can just call her Lily or Olivia Dunne. Yes, she confirmed it herself. Dunne, not Dune, not Dune, not Dooney, not Dunny, Dunne. So essentially ignore the E at the end, and then it makes it super simple how to pronounce her last name, Olivia Dunne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.